I think we kind of have a little disagreement among the cats. Polar bear was kind of picking on Lemie. See Lemie in there? There's Lemie. And Blackie was sticking up for her. Right, Blackie? Polly would start going after Lemie, and Blackie would step in and start hitting Polar Bear. I think Blackie thinks her work is done here. Everybody else is still waiting to see if anything else is going to happen. How do you feel about all this, Lemie, huh? How do you feel about all this? Seems like everything centers on you right now. What about you, Polly? What's been going on in here, huh? Are you picking on Lemie? Was he picking on Lemie, Oreo? Huh? Polly not gonna say anything?